Here is a very striking, beautiful C7Z06. Yes, it looks good and it sounds fantastic. Owned by Jimmy, a very super cool guy and very smart as well. Loves his cars. Created the iFul Meet of Paris, Texas Facebook page. He is the host and organizer of the iFul Car Group. Let's check out what he's got going on. Welcome to the Road Odyssey YouTube channel. Thank you for joining me. And if you want to see what I'm up to on a daily or even weekly basis, go check out my Facebook page. Jimmy has created the Facebook page of iFul Meet of Paris, Texas. Please check it out and be aware that he often has car events. Now, here is Jimmy himself. A super nice guy and very knowledgeable when it comes to, well, business, car, whatever. He just really likes to get his hands into the whole mix, always around people. And he has with him what he calls, for his iFul Car Group, the Young Guns, which drive a huge variety of vehicles. Mustangs, maybe some Camaros, trucks, foreign, domestic, whatever the case is, lots of different cars and motorcycles as well. Now, he will post quite often a variety of possible events and for sure events. He interacts with the whole car community. So again, go out to the Facebook page and really check it out. Like recently in his car meet at Nautilus in downtown Paris, they ended up going out to the drag strip and had a fantastic time. So you might find him, I believe, also on TikTok. But nonetheless, you can find him. You can find the iFul Car Group. So be sure and look him up. Now, one of the examples of something that he participated in and helped, I guess you say, get the word out and market was Josh Neighbors had a Lamar Street cruise, and Jimmy was a huge part of this. I ended up doing a video, and so if you want to see all the details of this cruise, just kind of go back in time through a lot of my videos and you'll find it. But Jimmy and all of his gang were there, as well as practically everybody in the Paris, Texas area, including Greenville, Sulphur Springs, Mount Pleasant, wherever. Just tons of people from all around came out to this Lamar Street cruise. It was a lot of fun. So just some clips of that. I hope you enjoy it and just seeing all the great variety. Now, that is not all that he has participated in. He and I have gone on lots of various little cruises throughout local towns, like one we went to Rockwall. And so a bunch of black cars. I called them the Black Fleet, as we went out to the Buc-ee's in Royce City. That's out towards Rockwall, Texas. And, more recently at one of his car meets, I showed up and just got a few video clips just to give you an idea of, some of the cars that had just begun coming into one of his, not just car meet, but they ended up going to a local drag strip as well. So that was just really fantastic. Now, every time he comes to my meet or anybody else's meet, you'll know he's there. His car sounds fantastic. It looks great. And he's just a really outgoing person that loves to communicate and bring people together. So again, check out the iFul Meet of Paris, Texas Facebook page. And like I said, I believe you can find him on TikTok and Instagram or whatever as well. But you can find him and you can find his events. So be looking for them, please. So as we say goodbye in this video, I will show you these final clips of his car. And with that, I guess relax, take it easy, and I'll see you later. Bye.